You guys doing U-571, The Rock, and the Peacemaker. First one is U-571, he's front, side, the back. DVD. And here's second, The Rock. Here's the front. Here's the side. The back. These are the same disc. Here's the disc. The next one is same guide, exactly the same. Cena decks. The last one is the Peacemaker. Here's the front, the side, and back. Here's the DVD. The other from available for DreamWorks Home Entertainment. Scene selections, and the production notes and scene selections. Thanks for watching. I'll see you later. Goodbye.